It's the second annual KWI Metalworks Expo. Let's get to it and check out what's going on today. So there are tons of companies and contractors here today meeting with students, possibly KWI students and students that are looking to go out into the industry today. Yeah, getting down with that boy.
Still got this thing set from when I was air arcing the other day. It's dark.
Yeah. Yeah, hypotherm.
I'll fall back down here and I'll get one.
We got some TIG going on. Yeah. Yeah. It's been a great day here at the Metalworks Expo. Tons of high school students have came here to KWI today to learn what it means to be in the welding industry and also to network with welders, with companies, with contractors, because the welding industry, it's all about how good you can weld and all about how good you can network, meet with people, show them that you're a good welder, and continue welding, making good money for your family and your hobbies. So we're here at KWI today at the Metalworks Expo.